So here on my left, I have a Pixel 7 Pro, and on the right, I have a Pixel 9 Pro non-XL. So I have both phones, and now I have the Pixel 9 Pro, the smaller version, and pretty much we're gonna just see what it looks like out of the box. They're using recycled material for the box, very easy to kind of rip off and remove. And we're just gonna look at the phone overall, the physical look of it, and we're going to apply a screen protector on the front and also a camera screen protector on the back, as you see right there. So the Pixel 9 Pro comes with the phone, of course, the USB cable, no charging brick or outlet plug, and it comes in a very removable paper material. As you see right here, it's just like wax type paper or a type of paper you would see on kind of food, non-stick. But here we'll apply the camera screen protector from this optic easy kit, and to be very straightforward, it's a clear little case that you put a clear little film, sorry, that you put on the camera screen. This kit makes it easy to apply the film because it comes in a little plastic piece that you can just kind of slap on your phone, and you can see the instructions included. It comes with a pick and everything, all the tools you'll need to apply this on. So from the same brand, I believe this is a Spigen brand. Yes, you will have a screen protector as well, kind of same concept. It has a little plastic piece that you put on your phone, which has the film, and it'll just slap on. It comes with a, I think, called a spudger to kind of push out the air bubbles. So we'll do both the front screen protector and the rear camera protector. And all the instructions are very straightforward on the kit. And I like how it's just accessible, easy to use, and yeah, very straightforward. So per the instructions, you want to make sure you wipe the phone's lens screen, the front and back with the microfiber cloth, and also the cleaning wipes, the wet wipes. Then use the dust remover stickers to kind of spot check all of the limiting dust on the screen. You'll see some on the front and the back. Even if you're wiping with the clear wipe or the wet wipe and also microfiber, there's always a chance of extra dust. So once you do that, we'll put on the little plastic piece that has the screen protector. You press it on, as you see what I'm doing right here, and we're just gonna let it kind of sit for a second, and we're gonna pull it out and release. So after about 30 seconds, remove the little sticker right there that says peel or remove from here. And essentially, we're gonna pull it, and it'll pretty much release, and we'll lift off the plastic piece, and there you have the screen protector. Is going to peel this film off, or the screen protector should be now fully on your screen. So now remove the final piece of plastic. Use the provided squeegee or spludger thing, whatever it's called, to push out any air bubbles, and that your screen protector is freshly applied. And you can see the screen protector is pretty much applied on point, not much gap between each side of the phone, and it's on pretty seamlessly and easy. And now going back to the screen protectors, just like how it was on the front, the camera screen protector is pretty straightforward. Again, you're gonna wipe with the included microfiber and cleaning cloth or cleaning wipes, the wet wipes. And we're gonna use the dust sticker to also remove it, just like how it was in the front screen protector. And kind of the way it works is the same thing. It's applied to a plastic piece that you press onto the phone. You peel back the film, and it's done. Apply the plastic piece on the phone and also press just like the front screen protector. Press and slide. You're gonna do that for a while and wait about 30 seconds, then peel back the sticker. So it works just the same. So once we peel back the sticker, we're gonna remove the plastic piece just like how we did the front. Camera screen protector is on. You can see there's some smudging, which is fine because there's still another plastic piece underneath, which is another film on top of the actual screen protector. And we're gonna peel it off. There is some like alignment issues on the camera, but other than that, I think I got most of it. The camera is covered almost completely. I'm like off like a millimeter on the top. So yeah, the front and back screens. This Spigen kit is very straightforward, easy to use, and I like how it's just less than 10 minutes of actual application time.